Hi, welcome to Learnora, the Learning Lab. Today I'm diving into the exciting world of job order costing. So, what exactly is job order costing? Well, it's a cost accounting method used to assign and track costs to specific jobs, projects, or batches of production. This method is super useful when products or services are produced in distinct, identifiable units or batches rather than in a continuous flow. Essentially, it allows businesses to determine the cost of each individual job by accumulating direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead costs associated with it. The key feature of job order costing is that costs are collected and assigned to a specific job, like a custom order, a single project, or a batch of unique items. It's particularly useful for businesses that produce customized or unique products rather than mass-produced goods. Let's look at some examples to make this crystal clear. Custom furniture manufacturing. Imagine a carpenter building a bespoke dining table for a client. The costs of wood, direct materials, hours worked, direct labor, and a portion of workshop rent, overhead, are tracked specifically for that table. Construction projects, a contractor building a house will track the costs of cement, worker wages, and equipment rental for that particular project. Printing services, a print shop producing 500 wedding invitations for a client calculates the cost of paper, ink, and labor specifically for that order. Repair shops, an auto repair shop fixing a car will track the cost of parts, like a new battery, and the mechanic's time for that specific repair job. Film production. A movie studio tracks costs like actors' salaries, set materials, and editing for that specific film. Industries that frequently use job order costing include construction, manufacturing, professional services like law and accounting firms, advertising agencies, shipbuilding, and even healthcare. Now, let's walk through a numerical example to see job order costing in action. Imagine a custom bicycle manufacturer receives an order to build one high-end bike, which we'll call job hash 123. Here's how the costs might break down. Step 1. Identify costs. Direct materials, frame $150, wheels $80, seat $30, total direct materials equals sign $150 plus $80 plus $30 equals sign $260. Direct labor assembly worker, 5 hours at $20/hour equal sign $100. Manufacturing overhead. Overhead rate $10 per labor hour, total labor hours 5 total overhead equals sign 5x $10 equals sign $50. Step 2. Calculate total job cost. Total cost equals sign direct materials plus direct labor plus overhead total cost equals sign $260 plus $100 plus $50 equals sign $410. Step 3. Apply markup and selling price. Assume the company applies a 40% markup on cost for profit. Markup equals sign $410 x 0.40 equals sign $164 selling price equals sign $410 plus $164 equals sign $574. Summary for job hash 123. Direct materials $260. Direct labor $100. Overhead $50. Total cost $410. Selling price $574. The company records these costs specifically for job hash 123 and uses this data to bill the customer and analyze profitability. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to Learnora, the Learning Lab. Happy learning!